Andariki Namaskaram, Vanakkam, and welcome back to yet another episode of Two States Junction. In this video, I'm going to share with you all my review and my experience about my haircut in Verve Signature Salon. So I will be providing all the information, what all I know and the pros and cons of the salon. So do not skip the video. And if you're watching me for the first time, I am Soundarya. I do a lot of videos on my lifestyle. I'll give a lot of informations about many things. You can check my playlist, and if you get connected to me, just click on the subscribe button and you'll be updated with all the videos in the future. So with this note, let's get started. So it's been a long time that I did a haircut for me. I really wanted some pampering, so I thought hair massage and a haircut is really required for me. So I chose Verve Signature Salon because I see recently it is trending. I see a lot of videos on Instagram, so I thought I can try Verve Salon. They have an official website, vervesalon.com. I will put the same in the description box. You can go to their website to find out the stores or the salons that is nearby to your area in the store locator, and they also provide all the beauty services, and cost of it is also mentioned in the website. The same is also being cost once you're done with your services, so everything is transparent in the website, which I liked. And the second thing which I did is I found a nearby salon. I went to Velicherry Salon, so I found their number and I booked an appointment there. Generally, as it is recently trending, you'll have a lot of people there, so it is better you get an appointment prior you go there. So I found a comfortable time and booked my appointment. While you're booking appointment, they will ask if you want a premier stylist or top stylist for your haircut. So for the premium stylist, they will cost 1200 plus tax, whereas for top stylist they charge 1400 plus tax. So it depends on you, like whether you want a premium stylist or a top stylist. I chose for a premium stylist, and I am satisfied with their service. Next thing that we have to know is it's a unisex salon. It's not a women only, it's a unisex salon, and they are very famous for hairstyling. They have all other beauty services also, including facial and manicure, pedicure, and all the stylings. They provide end-to-end beauty services. They also do keratos treatment for your hair. So about my experience about the haircut, I am very satisfied. One thing is, after a long time I'm going for a haircut, and I preferred to do a hair massage also, so they did a good hair massage. Of course, we need pampering once in a while, right? We cannot get that at home. Probably it was very soothing and very stress free when I chose to do my hair massage. They did really good. They check or they maintain the time almost close to 20 minutes. I got the massage followed by the steaming and hair wash. They use L'Oreal products, L'Oreal professional products for your hair wash and the conditioner, and if they also have keratos products that if you prefer to go for that, they will charge extra for that. They take utmost care to ensure like whatever cut you are asking for is coming to a perfect finish. Even after haircut, the blow dry sessions and setting of your hair is too good, and that's the reason they are too trending. I will also show mine how they did all the stylings and things, and the final look of your face along with the haircut is really amazing. I am highly satisfied with the services. It took me 2 hours for my hair massage along with my haircut, blow dry and setting. Totally went 2 hours. The person who did haircut for me did a very satisfying job. She took utmost care and was not doing any hurry work. She took complete time and set my hair. I think think I covered most of the points. If in case you have any other doubts, feel free to ping me or message me in the same video, and I'm happy to solve your questions. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video and found this video is very useful, click on the like button and do not forget to hit the subscribe button as well. Bye bye.